How to change language in Windows 11 and 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your laptop or computer. In Settings, click on Time and Language. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Language. Then, scroll down in Language and click on Add a Language. After that, you can choose any language you want. You can also search the language you want at the search bar top. Select the language, then press on Next at the bottom. After that, make sure there's tick mark and set as My Windows Display Language and click on Install at the bottom. After that, your language will be installed. What you need to do is simply choose the language at the top Windows Display Language settings. And this is how to change language in Windows 11 and 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.